Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to download and execute GitHub projects, alright? So if you want to download and execute GitHub projects, make sure you watch this video step by step because that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video, okay? So the first thing you want to do obviously is to come over to GitHub, right? Before you can download and execute projects, right? GitHub projects, you want to be able to come over to the website. So for that you just open a tab on your browser and then type in GitHub, right? So once you type it in, GitHub website is going to come up, which is supposed to be the first one. Click on it, and then when you click on it, you will come over to the GitHub website. All right, so basically this is how to come over to the GitHub website. So the next thing you want to do is to come here and then sign in or sign up. If you don't have an account, you sign up, but if you have an account, you just sign in. So that's what I'm going to do right here. Alright guys, so now that you're here, what you're just going to do is that you put in your username or email, depends. Now if you don't have an account, you just create an account right here, but I do have, so I'm just going to insert mine as well as my password, and then just sign in. Alright guys, so I'm currently inside of my account, as you can see. Right, so basically this is actually what yours should look like if it's your first time. Right, if you're a beginner, it should look something similar to this. Right, so what you want to do, remember, we want to be able to download and execute projects, GitHub projects. All right, so for that, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the search button right here. All right, so right here we can actually search for anything we want. Right, maybe I'm going to search for calculator Python, right? A Python calculator, right? But then you can search for basically anything you want right here. Remember that you are actually going to download projects from other people. That's basically what we are going to do, is from other people outside of, we are doing this outside of um GitHub normally. So it's from other people we are getting this calculator from. Okay, so you can type in anything you want, and then if other people have it, you'll be able to see it, right? So let me just click on enter, and then it's going to search for it. As you can see, we have a lot of people with something that looks like a calculator. This guy has the Python calculator. As you can see, we also have other people right here, right? We have this guy who has this is not what we want, right? This looks like something we want, right? And all of that, Python option calculator. And also basically you just go and look for the one that you want, right? And then you just try to download it. So let me walk you through the steps. So I'm going to select this one, right, for this video. So what's going to happen is I'm just going to click on it right here, right? It's actually going to open up. So what's going to happen is you want to make sure that you know the exact format that the file is. You want to know, and to do that you come to where it says readme.md. You always want to check the format using the readme.md, right? You always want to check the format of the file, right? So as you can see, it's actually py, right, which is Python. So the format is in Python. All right, so this is what I just wanted to check, right? I just wanted to check the format right here. So now that we've done that, what you want to simply do right here, it says this is a very simple calculator program for learning how to write unit tests in Python. So we get the point. So basically that's it. Right, I just wanted to know what format, and it's in py. So we just click on Python calculator right here. Super simple. So it will take us back. So now that we're back, what you want to do right now in order to successfully download it right here, you're just going to come over to where it says code right here, and then you just come here to where it says zip, download zip. Right, so you can actually open it with GitHub desktop, right? But then you can also download it with your zip. So what we are going to do is that we're going to try and download it right here. All right, so that's what we're going to do. Super simple. As you can see, we just downloaded it right here. Boom, it's done. So if I just come over and click on it, either I click on it or I just go over to my file explorer right here. So as you can see, we have the Python calculator master right here. So this is how to download it. Now the next step is to execute it, right? What basically this means is that we have to extract it, right? So for you to successfully extract it right here, you just right click, right, and then you're going to see extract file. You're also going to see extract here, right? So whichever one works for you. I'm just going to click on extract here. So it's actually going to extract the file for us right here, as you can see. So let's see, I think it actually extracted it. Let's try it again. okay, already exists. Okay, so basically it actually extracted it for us. um, okay, so yeah, they are basically the same thing. I think I'm just going to edit right here. So what's going to happen is we just look through, right? We try and check through to see if we are going to see the uh, Python right here. Let me look through my download. I actually have a load. Okay, what's going to happen is I'm just going to, as you can see, it's actually here below, right here. It says Python calculator masters, right? The reason it's below is because of the alphabetical order and all of that. But then basically this is actually the code that we just downloaded. This is actually the file, right? So basically this is actually how I personally download and execute um GitHub projects. This is basically how I do it. There are other ways of doing it, but then this is basically the easiest and the one that works. So that's how to do it. So do well to give this video a like if you got any value, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, right? And yeah, with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.